nobody else will understand this, but probably Jay. Alright? You guys might not know this, but I consider myself a bit of a loner. I tend to think of myself as a one-man wolf pack. But after high school, when I became friends with Jay, I knew he was one of my own. In my wolf pack, it grew by one.
Oh no.
So there were two of us in the wolf pack. I was alone first in the pack, and then Jay joined in later. And 7 years later, when I joined Chick-fil-A, I met John. And I thought, wait a second, could it be? And then I knew for sure I just added another guy to my wolf pack. In 2003, when I moved to Ohio, I met Kevin. And I knew for sure I had just added another to my wolf pack. After rejoining Prestonwood in 2005, I met Stacy and Scott and thought, could it be? Yes. I added 2 more to my wolf pack. Having returned to Texas, this wolf liked to play poker. Marty surfaced. And the pack grew by 1 more. My original wolf, Jay, introduced me to 2 new guys named Bob and Mark. Although these wolves showed too much affection, I looked past that and thought, could it be? Even after a kiss from a guy. And yes, I added 2 more to my wolf pack. Now, 9 of us wolves running around the Metroplex together, looking for Cowboy playoff wins and agreement the Longhorns suck. So tonight, I make a toast.